Well, hello there. Welcome back to Lucore Automotive. As you can see, it's still a busy time here in the shop. We want to take a moment to say something very important. Thank you to all of you who have supported us, who have helped this channel grow, who have interacted with us either online or at car shows, events. The last year has been incredible. 2019 has been a blast. We've met a lot of really great people. We've worked on a lot of really cool projects. We've got a couple of projects that are still left from 2019. But it was an amazing year. We really had a great time. We look forward to 2020. Also, huge thanks to all of you who have subscribed. Those of you who have not watched or have not subscribed to our content and have watched, we finally hit our 1,000th subscriber, which was a pretty cool experience. Did it in just a little under a year. We know we're not the best, we're not the flashiest, we don't have a lot of really cool editing tricks. It's just a bunch of greasy car guys working on cars and showing off some of what we do. So it's not that flashy, but we're just kind of trying to put out there what we do. You know, this isn't something we're looking to make a lot of money off of YouTube. Unfortunately, in the world of automotive technicians and cars in general, you have a lot of, let's call it unsavory attitudes and behaviors. And we know that. Unfortunately, in our industry, you have a lot of people that are a little less than honest. What we're trying to do with all of the videos that we show you guys is that you have an option. If you're in the Central Ohio area and you have a toy car, a toy truck, a Jeep, a race car, or even just a daily driver, you have some honest mechanics you can call on. That's us. It doesn't have to all be race car stuff. Now, that stuff's fun, but we do normal stuff too. Brake jobs, oil changes, stuff you can count on. So I don't want to make this long-winded. Rich and I were just talking about this, and we just wanted to say thank you to all of you who have supported us, our friends, our family, our supporters, our subscribers. We really appreciate you guys coming along on the ride from 2019 with us. We look forward to doing a lot of really fun stuff in 2020 and hope you guys come along for another year. Thanks again. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time.